Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the regular Sudokus. The second one is a Sudoku medium. In today's newspaper of Wednesday, yes, still Wednesday, October the 7th, 2020. And the second one is a medium Sudoku. And this will be a number 1705. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one I have already counted as 26. If you compare with the Sudokus in the additional with extra, in addition with extra Sudokus with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, this one has 2 stars. Yes, 2 stars. 1 star has 25, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 27. Sorry. 1 star 25. No. 1 star has 27, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars has 24 printed digits. Yes, alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I use? How about 6 in the first column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third row, 6 in the first row. So in the second row, the row between, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6, I believe. No. How about the number? The number 4 in this row, the 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 4. Let me see which number can I use. How about the 8 in this row, the 8 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column, so in the third column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. How about the number 5 in this column? 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. Then I need to stop with the 5. I believe, yes, I need to wait. How about the number? The number. The number 1 in this column. Let me see, in this big square we have 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. There, no 1 in that box. 1 box left for the 1, should be here. 1 in the last column, 1 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 1 should be here. Then in this row, 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 2 and 6. 2 and 6, we see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. 9 and 7, we see here there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the middle column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 1. We have here, let me see, 7, 8, 2, yes. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see there 2, so no 2 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. 2. Can I continue with 4? Yes, 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there, and all the 4s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 2. Can I continue with... Yeah, we have here 2 numbers left in this column for the number 7 and the 9. 7 and the 9, we see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then, can I continue? Can I continue? How about the number these 2 numbers, the missing numbers here, the 1 and the 3. 1 and the 3, we see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. The 3 goes here, and the 1 goes here. 1 number left in this big square for the number 2. 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 in this first column, 1 in the third column, so in the column between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, digit number 3. How about... Let me see. These two, one number left in this row for the number 9. 9 is missing. Then in the last row we have 3 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see there 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And all the 9s are used. I can see, yes, digit number 4. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 2 and 5. 2 and 5, we see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this second column. For the number 5, yes. Now we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for 5 here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 5. Yes, all right. And now. How about these 2 numbers? In this row, those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. 3 and the 8. And we see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last row for the numbers 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 3. Then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. 7 and 2. Well, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 7 goes there. No. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 8 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 8. 7 and 8, we have a 7 now, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 3. 2 and 3, we have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute. With the third regular Sudoku, it will be a killer Sudoku. Sudoku Mix, aka Sudoku Mix. See you later. Bye bye for now.